This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we're going to help you fix it.
Howdy folks, welcome back. We got a Speed Queen dryer we're looking at today with an error code CO. And what that is a communication error. I'll show you what that means here in a second, but the first thing we got to do is take off this panel. There's 3 screws. You don't want to take the screws out on the white. You want to take the screws out where it's stainless against stainless. And this is for the 2017 model. The 2018 and 2019 model will look completely different. But this, you got these 3 screws you take out. I already got the one out in the middle. So I'm going to take these off. We're going to pull this control panel forward. And we're going to investigate this communication error. This communication error, all it means is the board up top and the board down at the bottom are not talking to each other, or it's missing some sort of information. But I noticed right off the bat that if you mess with that H2 connector with the wires, you were hearing this relay kick on and off. I'll let you guys hear it. So I knew right off the bat that there was a problem with that connection. But to prove that is the only issue with it, you can get it to where that connection is better, and you can run it and see if you can actually get this thing to run. If you can get it to run, you know that's going to be the only problem. So we got this thing running, and you'll see when I let go of this wire harness, the unit will shut off. So we knew right away that the problem laid in this connection. But when I looked at it, you can see some of the pins are spread apart a little bit. So you want them closer together so those pins fit in real good. But if you look at the bottom left and the bottom right, you can see that they're spread out a little bit. The left one a little bit more than the one on the right. But if you see any of this, I just took me a pick set and pushed it in there and bent it back into place. That's from the outside in. So y'all watch me do that. But yeah, we're got all those pins back to where they're supposed to be, and I plug it back in, and then when you see when we run it, no issues whatsoever. I'll even put my hand back here and I'll move that harness again like I did before, and she won't shut off. She'll keep on running for us. So that fixes the problem on this one. If y'all don't have this same problem that I'm experiencing, you want to test continuity on each wire where it goes down to that bottom control and make sure all of those wires are good. If all those wires are good, you may be looking at one of the boards. I would start with the board at the bottom rather than the one up top first, but if that don't do it, then it's got to be the board on top. But they're just not talking to each other. And the reason why it wasn't talking to each other on this one is because of those pins. It wasn't seating properly, and you weren't getting that good communication. So if this has helped you out, guys, give me a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.